If you don't know how to generate images using AI, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create and edit images using an AI tool called Nano Banana Pro. We will generate images from text, edit existing photos, remove backgrounds, and I will also show you common beginner mistakes you should avoid. Nano Banana Pro is a tool of Google Gemini. To use it, you first need to create a free account. Simply go to Google Gemini, sign up with your Google account, and once you're logged in, you will land on this main dashboard. Here you will see some options like create image, create music, and so on. To start generating images with AI, click on this button, and let's create something simple first. In this box here you can type your prompt, something like create a simple welcome banner with colorful abstract background and the text welcome in bold white letters. Click enter or in the submit button and let's see what it generates. And within a couple of seconds, Nano Banana created this banner for you. Before we go deeper, let's quickly revisit this interface. This is the prompt box and here you can describe what images you want to create. Make sure to select create image first. They also added some styles for your image if you would like to choose one of them. On the right side of the prompt box, you should also see these options here. If you select the fast option, the generated images might not be that good every single time. But if you choose thinking or if you work with the Pro model, the generated images will be much better. So for this example, I would like to choose the thinking option. Now let's create something more detailed. I wrote this prompt this time to give some more details about the image I would like to have, and let's see what we will get. Alright, so Nano Banana generated this image within a couple of seconds. If you go back and look carefully to the prompt we wrote here, we see that it created an image that is very close to our prompt. So make sure to make your prompts more descriptive to get better results. Now let's make another experiment here. Instead of a realistic image, this time I would like to try creating an old cartoon model. So I will choose that. I typed the prompt here as a cartoon style illustration of a cute cat wearing sunglasses and a summer hat. Let's see what we'll get. And as we can see, Nano Banana this time generated a cartoon style image. By using Nano Banana, we don't only create images, but we can also edit them. And in this example, I would like to edit this image. So make sure to click on the Add Files button and choose an image from a source that you want to upload. After your image is uploaded, now you can describe what edits you would like to have. Just as an example, I typed enhance the lighting and smooth the skin naturally, blur the background slightly for a professional portrait look. And Nano Banana edits the image based on your prompt. So on the left side, we can see the original image, and on the right side, we can see the edited image by Nano Banana. You can also edit your images by changing the background. You can completely remove the background or replace it with another one. For example, if you want to have a different background for this image, I said replace the background with a modern office interior with large windows and natural lighting. And here comes the generated image with a new background. If you use this edit, in seconds, your photo will look like it was taken in a completely different location. You can also crop or resize the images. This is the image we generated previously, but it is a horizontal one. So if you like, you can resize the image as a 1:1 square format. You just need to type the prompt, resize this image to a 1:1 square format while keeping the subject in the middle. So this will be the subject and it should be kept in the middle. And this time we get the same image in a 1:1 square format and also keeping the subject in the middle. So as you can see, a prompt like this will keep the subject in the middle while resizing the image in a square format. Another thing we can do is we can add some text or simple graphics. For example, let's add some text to this image, which will stay focused. And in the rest of the prompt, as you can see, we clearly define how should the font look like and where it should be placed. And here comes the result. Now we have a text says stay focused as we defined here with a bold modern font and in the center of the picture. And also with a shadow effect. If you look carefully, you should see it here. So with simple additions like this, you can edit your images with Nano Banana and you can turn your regular images, if you prefer, into a social media post. Let's also quickly talk about some common beginner mistakes to avoid. One of the most common beginner mistakes is writing very short prompts. If you write a prompt like this, then the result generated by AI will be very random. Instead of writing short prompts, try to give some details. For example, instead of a dog, you can write a golden retriever puppy. and you can define what it does and where it does it. And the more detail you provide, as you can see, the more control you have on your images. Let's try another example. Sometimes a small wording change can make a big difference. For example, if you type a modern house in the mountains during sunrise with soft fog and cinematic lighting, you will get this result. But instead of this prompt, if you type a minimalist glass house, then the generated image will be much different than the previous one. Actually, both of the images look very realistic and nice. AI tools like Nano Banana, they reward clarity and detail if you can give them in your prompts. Start simple, experiment with different prompts, make sure you don't over-edit them, and most importantly, always practice your prompts. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.